In this CapCut PC tutorial, I'll show you how to layer multiple videos behind text for a creative effect. Start by going to the Text tab and adding default text to your timeline. Type your content and customize the text style. Adjust the text duration on the timeline as needed. Next, click Import. Select multiple videos for this example. Drag the first video above the text layer. Go to Video Basics, click Blend, and choose Multiply. This blend mode seamlessly integrates the video with the text. Resize and position the video in the preview window. Add a second video to the timeline, keeping the text as the bottom layer. Apply Multiply blend mode again, then adjust the video's size and position. For finer control, go to Video Mask and select Rectangle. Modify the mask size and position to enhance the effect. Repeat this process for additional videos. By layering clips behind text with multiply blending, you'll create dynamic visuals for your projects. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.